project inspired by the fact that I like so much doing my nails at home as opposed to doing them in a salon as I used to do in the past, doing the acrylic nails in a salon. And for gel nail varnish, as you can see here, what you need is a nail drill machine. You'll also need nail primer, which is very important. I'll take you through this later on. You'll need, of course, the base and the top coat. You'll need nail extensions if you want to use nail extensions. You'll need different types of gel nail varnish, and here you'll see a glitter gel nail varnish and magnetic gel nail varnish I purchased recently. For this you'll need magnets if you want to use magnetic gel nail varnish. You'll also need files, and of course you'll need the cure machine. So as ever, I started by removing the old bits of my gel nail varnish I have done some 3 weeks ago. So this is due to the fact that I like using the nail primer, thus my nails are lasting for 3 weeks. And in order to remove what I have removed from the night before, just using my nails, I'm using a mix of nail drill machine and also files. This is very important because it ensures a professional look for your nails, and the nail drill machine is also very good for removing the longer nails, for cutting them. And if you like typing fast the way I do, is great to make them shorter. My nails grow very fast, just like my hair, but in London they are very weak because of the hard water area and because of the weather is so bad. The next step is to apply the nail extensions, and I do that only for the middle finger. And everything you see here is purchased on Amazon except the nail drill machine, which was purchased on eBay. And in order to secure this fake extension, you need some glue for the nails. This one I purchased from Amazon, and some of them were purchased from Primark. The problem is, after 2.5 weeks, because my nails they grow so fast, I notice they tend to break. So for this reason, I'm using a glitter gel nail varnish on this middle finger in order to glue it back to the nail much easier and to mask this problem. And I'm going to take you through more tips later on. This nail cutter is also very good. Don't use a scissor, use nail cutter if you want to cut these fake extensions. And afterwards you need to give the shape you want to your nails, again using this drill machine, and also to smoothen the ridges on your nails. You want the nail to appear as smooth. This is very important. I'm using gloves, as you can see here, because when you insert your fingers in the cure machine, the UV machine of course in time affects your fingers, so you want to protect your fingers. So that is why I purchased these gloves, I think in a Poundland, and I cut the end in order to use them for this purpose. The next step is applying the nail primer, which is very important, as I mentioned earlier on, because your nails will be lasting longer. So you don't want your nails to start chipping after 1 week. This is what happened to me the first time I did my gel nail varnish, and ever since using this I'm very happy. And of course you have to apply a base coat, which I tend to apply it thinly, especially when I'm using magnetic gel nail varnish, because on the middle finger, for example, I'm going to apply 5 layers. If I was to apply only 1 layer, if say only black gel nail varnish, I would have used 2 coats of base coat and afterwards curing for 1 minute after each application. The next step is applying a contrasting color with the magnetic gel nail varnish. For this I'm using black. You can also use white or beige or whatever you want to contrast with your magnetic gel nail varnish. And you'll see in a second how important this is. You can apply 2 coats, but as I said, I prefer to apply only 1 coat on this occasion. And of course you have to cure it again for 1 minute. Okay, so now we are applying different colors of magnetic gel nail varnish. And as you notice, as soon as I applied, I use the magnet for 5 seconds in order to act with this magnetic gel nail varnish and give that amazing shape. And here are the tips I mentioned to you earlier on, which are very important if you want to achieve great nails to last for 3 weeks. I'm very pleased with this. That is why I'm not going back to normal nail varnish as we used to use, say, 15 years ago, 20 years ago. You want to have long lasting nail varnish and not to change this or bother with this every few days. So that is why I simply love the gel nail varnish, because I can do everything at home and not depend on a salon where I paid thousands of pounds in the past and I received a little appreciation in return, despite giving such good tips, and they even cut my nails. So enough is enough, as I mentioned in my previous videos. And the trick is to also apply the glitter on the middle finger if is going to break, which I anticipate because, as I said, my nails are growing so fast. So for this reason I apply glitter only on the middle nail. And here it is so beautiful. I really love it. And the last step is applying the base coat, which is very important because it's going to secure your nail beautifully. And of course you have to cure for 1 minute, as you have done with all these layers of gel nail varnish. So there you have it. These are my tips. This is my method. I'm very happy so far. Come back and check what I'm going to buy again in the future. As soon as I see something nice, I always buy it. So I like experimenting with all kind of stuff. As ever, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.
Cœur bat, love is intense. Je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, car quand je te vois